So Easter is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate it than with watercolors? And that's why we're making an Easter egg card you can make in no time, even if you don't have a lot of watercolor experience. And I cannot wait to start. Let's do this. The base for our very pastel kind of eggs is going to be yellow ochre, which is this guy over here. We can make it a tad lighter, which is kind of what we're going for. Okay, this is one. So when it's not as light as you like, we just add some water. That usually works pretty well. Okay, so this is our second egg. The third, I think we are going to join this. And again, really, really light. Yeah, light like that. Green egg. And you know, unless you have like a template and you draw them all the same, there is no way all your eggs are going to be exactly alike, and that is okay. Okay, we've got three down, 6 more to go. Good idea, let's see. Yeah, okay, I think so. Yeah, nice little Easter egg right here. And while they're still wet, you will want to add a little bit of a shade, just to make them a little bit more interesting, you know? Just like that. And add that shade too. And then a little bit of darker shade, just like that. Pink one. Pretty happy about this one. I think I've been using too little water maybe. We can even go back to the original color if we feel like we just toned it down way too much. Yeah, something like this. Shade like so, yeah. much better. Okay guys, we are almost there. Let's go for a lighter blue now. I want this to light up. I want the sky blue, just like this. Nice little sky blue. And you may want to test it out first when you first get it, because you know, you don't want the first time you see the color you've mixed to be when you're putting it into your project, because that may be a little bit too late. Like for example, this is turning out to be too dark. So I need to light it up a bit. For the shadow, I'm going to use this one right here, which I like, turquoise almost. Steel, I don't know, it's beautiful. Yeah. Nope, that's not it. I said transparent. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah. Well, if I can barely see it now, odds are it will be really transparent once it dries, won't it? I don't want that either, so let's make it a tad more green. Okay. Yeah. And here, this one is so light we don't need to add extra green. You know, the green itself will do. How light I can get this. Because this one was lighter at first, I just ended up darkening it for some reason. And that's not exactly what I wanted. Because this is kind of eggshell color, isn't it? So, does it make sense to have 3? Okay. I think I went pretty light with this one. Pretty light. Just a smidge. I don't know why I'm whispering. Like it's going to make this, you know, softer if I whisper. I don't know what I'm thinking here. So these are our 9 beautiful eggs. Essentially what we're going to do is going to make little speckles, you know, little spots on all these eggs, making them kind of natural looking. So you don't need a lot of color for this one, quite on the contrary. The least color you use, the better. And just start doing this. Now, don't be careful, you want dots, you don't want lines. You know, some can be closer than others, and that's fine. Just be careful to dot them, okay? So cute. Water like I did, you know, you go back, you dry it, you clean it, you just deal with it. There's always time to correct. I'm not liking making these lines because there's too little water, guys. That's what it was. This was the blue one. Now we get to the pink one. This one's good. Actually, you know what? I forgot to reinforce it down with the blue, so I'll just have to go back. Because it makes sense to me to have more spots in the back, down than upwards. I don't know, it's just how I imagine X somehow. Okay, I need to go back to the blue, to the indigo. Just, yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay. Now, if you don't have these many colors, it's fine actually, because you can add all sorts of colors to tone it down, make it lighter or darker or whatever it is you need. For example, for the green, you can add more blue to make it dark, more yellow to make it, to make it light. So that's one way to do it. You don't need a 36 set like I do, like I have. I don't need it either. It was just so cheap. And I actually got that review in another video if you want to watch it. I think you'll enjoy it. Now, don't try to make them parallel. Don't try to create any kind of pattern. There are very little patterns in nature. That is not the point, okay? Plus, don't overdo it. I definitely overdid some of these, I'm pretty sure. Some of these I'm not very happy about. They are too speckled. Still they look cute, I think, but definitely not the natural look I was going for. Okay guys, we are almost done. Just one more, and now we just wait for it to dry. Here is our lovely card. We can just untouch it, turn it around, write our lovely message in the back. And I'm definitely going to be writing a message here once it's all dry, but now we just have to wait for it to dry. Guys, isn't this just the cutest thing ever? You know, the perfect handmade card you can make for your family or your friends or whatever you want. Thank you for doing this with me. I had a blast. I hope you did too. I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.